we're going to be putting hydraulic cement into a sleeve for a sewer line that goes under the house. This is what I'm going to be using: water stop cement made by Quikrete. So down here you can see the sleeve that I am going to fill in with hydraulic cement. For those of you who have never worked with hydraulic cement, it is extremely fast setting. And so you only want to mix what you can apply for, like, say 2 or 3 minutes, and then remix. Here goes. It's already starting to set up. Here we go. Just piling it into the hole. Putting it in as fast as we can. Filling it in pretty good. I want this last little bit to harden up a little bit more so I can get it way back in there. You can see how hard it's gotten already. All right, we're almost completely out of cement. And it's really starting to harden up. You can see the hydraulic cement is dry. Go over to the other side. This is now waterproof to the degree where I will not get water up underneath my slab. I'm happy to have this project done. Now it's on to the next.